Hey people, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and I hope you like this background, grassy background. Just for the change I am using this. Today we're gonna unbox bike. For my bike I'm gonna use this mobile camera holder so that I can record in a different angles. So I'll be using this um, clamp to fix my Action Pro camera and so that we'll have a different angles for the vlogs. So this brand is called TELESIN and I got actually wanted this kind of thing where I can just tighten it up with my without any instruments and I can lose it off without any instruments and then I can remove it whenever I want and I can fix it whenever I want. That's the main purpose of buying this. There were few other which had a good review and more review than this, but it required some equipment to fix this and remove it. So it won't be there in on my bike always because every ride I'm not gonna record. So whenever I'm gonna log it, only those times I require this. So I made that decisions in that way. And just for your information, this is made in China and but they say Shah, okay, Kamla Nagar imported. They imported this and they're selling it. Okay. Okay. Apart from this, nothing on the box. This is their website. Yeah. Aluminum alloy. Okay. Let's unbox it. Have you guys noticed that nowadays the return option have been reduced? Every product has a replacement option. I don't know if this product is not good for me. How can I do a replacement the same product? I don't know the logic behind that, but that's how it is running currently. Oh, wow, nice packaging. Very nicely they have packed. Oh, from this I have this. This says user manual. This you have to type. Yeah, you have to lose it with anti-clockwise, clockwise to tighten it up. Without silicone pad, 22 to 32 diameter. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'll try. So, come on, dude. Yeah. So this is where that ball fixes. Nice. It's all very heavy. Not that plasticky or something like that. It's all heavy. It's all aluminum. That's what they say. This one is fine. And this is for our. This is what I need. Clamp my action camera. This is what it will go inside this. Okay. This is for that thing, right? This also. This also. We have so many things. Right? I don't know how to learn how to use this. I guess. Right. This is what I need it for my action camera so that I can fix on this. Mhm. Where does this go? Yeah, we'll loosen this up a little bit. Okay, that's it. Mm. And we'll tighten this up. Oh, after tightening, I can't change the position. So you fix which position you want. So my bike, it will be fixed like this. Okay. So on this, both should be fixed at a time. Fine. I think we're fine, but I just wonder because I keep on. Okay, okay, I can change it. Just a small loose. Yeah, yeah, fine, fine. And this is fine then. Little bit of flow, I can change my direction. Okay, now this is 180 degree from this side. How I want to do, if I want to do 180 degree on this side. So wherever I want, I can change it. So not an issue. I think this will be fine if you have GoPro on this. If you have any other, I think for action camera, what is that? Osmo action DJI and all, we can use this. This is actually for DSLR they use this kind of thing, and even our GoPro also comes with this kind of clamp, so we can use it for that. I don't have a GoPro, so I'll be using this. I can fix that. Okay, that's it. This see, I'm thinking of fixing it to my side mirror because I already fixed my mobile holder for the what is it in the handle. So without that rubber clamp also, is it no? This will be loose if I use it for my side mirror. We'll try how we can do this. I think I have to use this for my side to clamp it in my side. Okay, this is just an unboxing video. So next video probably I'll show you how to fix how I fixed on my bike and how we can fix on our bikes. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this was useful. In case it was, please like this video, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.